I'm Venkatesham. So in this video I'm going to discuss about calculation of pKa or pKb values from pH of equivalence point, right? So from pH of equivalent point, so I can find its dissociation constant of a weak acid or dissociation constant of weak base. So consider there is a weak acid or dissociation. Consider that HA is a weak acid and it will be dissociated into the here H plus plus, here it is an A minus ion concentration, right? So here it's a equilibrium constant Ka is equals to, I can write here it is the H plus ion concentration into this is an A minus ion concentration divided by here it is an HA concentration. So product of these two divided by this one, and here H plus ion concentration you can make the subject of the formula here. Here H plus ion concentration is equals to, so I can write this is a Ka into, so this is a HA concentration divided by here it is an A minus ion concentration. Okay, so take the minus logarithm on both sides. Minus log of here H plus ion concentration is equals to the, so this is a minus log of Ka, so this is a minus log of this is a HA concentration divided by this is an A minus ion concentration, right? So this is a simply a pH. This pH is equals to, here it is a pKa as per the basic definition of pH and pKa. So this is a minus log of here it is an HA concentration divided by here it is an A minus ion concentration, right? So this is a simple formula to find out its a pH. As all we know that at equivalent point, at equivalence point, there is an here HA concentration should be, here HA concentration should be equals to the, this is an A minus ion concentration. At equivalence point HA concentration should be equals to the A minus ion concentration. So the reaction is here it is an HA is going to be reacted with here OH minus ion concentration. So from the base OH minus ion concentration it is going to be titrated, then it forms its here water as well as here it is an A minus ion concentration. Here A minus ion concentration and HA concentration will be equal at equivalence point. So if you write that in the above equation, this you will get here pH is equals to, so that is pKa, here it is a plus log, so this particular HA concentration and A minus ion concentration both will get cancelled and you will get only a log 1. So from this I can write here simply a pH is equals to, so this is pKa. So from this I can easily find out its pKa and pKb. Whenever if you will take that generally BOH is it's a weak base, from that also I can find it's particularly it's a POH or pKb I can able to find. Okay, so this is the one. Consider that BOH is a general form of a weak base. I can write here BOH is a general form of a weak base, and I can write this is a B plus ion concentration plus here OH minus ion concentration. This weak base will undergo the some extent of ionization, so there is a ionic equilibrium is existed between the undissociated BOH and dissociated B plus and OH minus ions. And here I can write this is a Kb is equals to simply here dissociation constant of weak base, no, so that I can write this is a Kb is equals to, this is a B plus ion concentration divided by this is an OH minus ion concentration. So this is a simply it is a BOH concentration, right? So product of B plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration divided by it's a BOH concentration. You can take here OH minus ion concentration as a subject of the formula, so that I will write this is a Kb into here it is a BOH concentration divided by here it is a B plus ion concentration. Okay, so this will be taking the minus log on both sides, so that I will get this is a minus log of here OH minus ion concentration. This is a Kb minus log of Kb, and you will get here this is a BOH. So minus log of BOH divided by, so this is a B plus ion concentration. So you will get this is a POH minus log of OH minus ion concentration is nothing but POH, and minus log of Kb concentration is this is a PKb, and you will get this is a minus log of BOH concentration divided by, so this is a B plus ion concentration. So this is a simple one. BOH POH equals to PKb minus log of BOH divided by here B plus ion concentration. At equivalence point here we have that there is a, so here B plus ion concentration or BOH concentration is equals to the, here it is a B plus ion concentration, right? So here BOH that is going to be reacting with the excess amount of H plus ion concentration. Here BOH concentration plus is going to be reacted with the H plus plus, there attains the equilibrium here H2O plus this is a B plus ion concentration. So here B plus ion concentration and BOH both are equal, and here POH is equals to, so here PKB plus log 1. Log 1 is generally 0. Here POH is equals to, this is PKB. So from this POH already we know that here 14 minus pH is equals to, so that is simply a PKB. So this is a formula that will be helpful to find out its PKB. Okay, so this is a simple concept. The